Well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to today's Cooking with Jim. Today I'm going to cook some frozen chicken wings in the Ninja Foodi. First, I'm going to I'm going to cook them up with a pressure cooker. Then afterwards, I'm going to finish them off with the air fryer part. Stay tuned for some wonderful Cooking with Jim. We'll be back after these messages. Okay, we're back. There really was no messages. I've got here frozen chicken pieces. I got about 15 of them. You can hear, you can just put it down anywhere, Dano. I'll get it later. Here, give it to me. All right. Okay. Hold up. I'm not live anyway. I'm taping. Okay. So these are my frozen chicken pieces here. I'll show you here real quick. If I can. Okay. These are frozen chicken pieces. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook these in the Ninja Foodi. First thing I want to do is I want to get 1 cup of hot water. The hot water will speed up the process a little bit for the pressure steam. Now, I'm going to take my wings. I'm going to put my wings in here because what I want to do is I want to put some seasoning on these wings, okay? Now, I could literally do this first and season them afterwards. I'm going to do that instead. The heck with it. Let's do that. So let's put them back in here. Okay. So you want to take your wings here. You want to take them. You want to put them in your Ninja Foodi. You want to put your Ninja Foodi lid on, which I have right here. Okay. All right. There we go. Now you want to make sure your vent is to seal. That's open. That's seal. Okay. Turn it on. You go to pressure. It's on high. You want to go for 10 minutes. And you want to start. Now the pressure cook has to get up to temperature. It'll get everything going. Then once it's done, it will drain the air out, the steam. Then we'll add the spices onto the wings, put them back in I find it's best for 17 minutes. That's when you get the nicest taste. But we will return in 10 minutes or more, and we'll be back. Hey everybody, we're back. We've got 1 minute left on the pressure cooker. And once this is done, we're going to take the chicken wings out, and we're going to put them in the bowl here, and then we're going to season them nice and simple with Mrs. Dash salt-free chicken seasoning. I do not get paid anything for Mrs. Dash. It is a total coincidence that I'm using Mrs. Dash. Okay. So we got 33 seconds left, and I'm going to show you the process of opening it up. So let's let this go for 25 more seconds. 19. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Okay, now it's done. What you want to do now is up here, you see this valve. You're going to move the valve over to open. Make sure that there's really nothing that'll melt. Okay, are you ready? And here we go. Now you can see the escaping steam. That is extremely hot. You do not want to go nowhere near there unless you enjoy third-degree burns. Now when it's all done, there is a quick release valve right here too, but I never use that. I'd rather just use this right here. Now when it's all done, you'll go ahead, you can take the lid off, and then we'll go ahead and we'll go over to the second thing, which is seasoning the wings, and then we're going to put them back in, but this time it's going to be the air fryer part. So you want to wait till all that steam gets out. Besides, you wouldn't be able to open up the lid anyway till all the steam is done. Now, there's a couple of ways you could do it. You could use this quick release pressure, you know, like I did, or you could just go ahead and just let it stay on and the pressure will release by itself. See that right there? Maybe that wasn't too smart. Hold on. Okay, we're back again. Okay, it's pretty well done. So now what you want to do is you want to take your lid. Nope, still not enough. Okay, hold on. Okay, take your lid, lift it off. Now, I always like to just put this over here so it gets a little bit. Now, as you can see right here, you can see they're not done. Okay, but we're going to be finishing them off in the air fryer. But before we do that, we want to add our spices. Now, we could literally add our spices right here, okay? So let's take our Mrs. Dash, and we're going to dash it up. You want to make sure, though, if you use tongs, because it's going to be, you know something? Hold on a second. Let's do this the easy way. Okay. You want to make sure you use tongs when you're moving the chicken around. I don't have any tongs available, so I'm going to be using my spatula. So we're just going to flip it over. If anybody would like to have this recipe, contact me, send me an email, or let me know. And I'll be glad to give you this recipe. So we take some more. I like a lot of spices on my chicken wings. All right. Let's mix it up a little bit more. That might be a little too much spice. I don't care. It's Mrs. Dash. It's all right. Okay. What you want to do now is you want to put the lid on it. You want to turn on air crisp. We want to take it up to 400, and we want to do it for 17 minutes. And we start. Okay, that's it for right now. We'll see you back here in about 17 minutes. Okay, everybody, welcome back. It looks like we're just about done with this Ninja Foodi chicken wings. And we're going to take them out in about 15, 20 seconds. We're going to see how they look. And hopefully we're going to have taste it, and we're going to be pretty good. So let's switch here. Okay, as you can see, we got 22 seconds left. But if you take a look at it, they look pretty good. I think they're done. But I'll tell you what, we'll just let it go for it's only another 19 seconds. So we'll see what happens. When I take them out, yeah, there's my old bread machine there. I got to fix that. When we take them out, we're going to put them in here, and you'll be able to see what they look like. Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Switch it back again. Alright. So, let's see if we can set this up here. So you can take a look, and we'll take it from here. All right. Make sure you get your gloves on, because this thing will be extremely hot. And you take your chicken wings, and I can't show you right here. Sorry about that. Let's switch that over here. Okay. So now you take your chicken wings and you put them into the whatever here. Now a couple of them are sticking, so let's get a spoon or something that we can use to help pry these poor little guys out. Yeah, poor little guys. Okay. Now, I'll show this to you in a second. First thing I want to do is I've got one piece right here, okay? Wow. That's really good. I'll show you. Take a look. All right. Show you right here. Oh, it's really hot. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Wow. This way, you get a nice crispy skin on it, and they taste really, really good. I recommend everybody who's watching me now, go out and buy a Ninja Foodi. It's really good. Your food will come out amazing, and you can do so many things with it. I'm going to be back on later on, and I'll show you something else that I'm going to cook with the Ninja Foodi later today. And you'll be surprised that you can make that in that. All right, that's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the other side.